Hey everyone! Today, we're gonna be riding the Rise of the Monster Drop Tower attraction at Monster Park on Roblox. So let's go!
Dr. Bauman, I learned a great deal from you at the university about the violet ray, which you said was the highest color in the spectrum. You were wrong. I have discovered the great ray that first brought life into the world. I am going to turn that ray on that body and endow it with life.
And you really believe that you can bring life to the dead?
Tonight you shall have your proof. The storm will be magnificent. All the electrical secrets of heaven. And this time we're ready. Hey, Fritz? The brain of a dead man, waiting to live again in a body I made with my own hands. With my own hands. Hey, Fritz, ready. Throw the switches. It's alive!
Alright everyone, that's gonna do it for this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for new videos. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody.